Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can save money while visiting Paris, one of the most beautiful and romantic cities in the world. Whether you're a student, a backpacker, or just looking for an affordable trip, Paris can seem like an expensive destination. But don't worry, with these tips, you can experience the city of love without breaking the bank. Let's start with accommodation. To save money on your stay in Paris, consider these tips. 1. Book in advance to get the best deals. 2. Hostels can be a budget-friendly option, with prices starting at around €15 per night. 3. Airbnb can also be an affordable choice, especially if you opt for a shared room or an entire apartment with friends. 4. If you stay outside of the city center, you can find more affordable options and also save money on transportation. 5. Budget hotels can be a great option for those who want a bit more comfort, but don't want to spend a lot of money. 6. If you're feeling adventurous, consider house sitting or home exchange, which can be a fun way to save money and experience life like a local. 7. Finally, if you're traveling with a group, consider booking a package deal, which can include flights, accommodations, and activities at a discounted rate. Next up, shopping. Paris is known for its luxury brands, but there are plenty of ways to save money while shopping here. 1. Head to markets like Les Puces de Saint-Ouen or Marché aux Puces de la Porte de Clignancourt for a more authentic and budget-friendly shopping experience. 2. Avoid tourist areas like the Champs-Élysées and opt for local neighborhoods for a more authentic shopping experience. 3. Look for sales and discounts, especially during the end of the season. 4. Department stores like Galeries Lafayette and Printemps offer a wide variety of products, including affordable options. 5. If you're feeling adventurous, try bargaining at small shops or flea markets. 6. Consider buying second-hand items, which can be found at thrift stores or at markets like Le Bon Marché Rive Gauche. 7. Finally, don't forget to stock up on food and drink, as Paris has some of the best markets and bakeries in the world. When it comes to dining, here are some tips to help you save money. 1. Avoid tourist areas and head to local neighborhoods for more affordable dining options. 2. Look for menus du jour, which offer a complete meal for a set price, usually around €15. 3. Sharing plates can be a great way to try multiple dishes without breaking the bank. 4. Drinking tap water can save you money on drinks and also help you stay hydrated. 5. Dine at non-peak times to avoid crowds and potentially lower prices. 6. Try street food, which can be a budget-friendly and delicious option. 7. Finally, check out the city's many markets, like Marché des Enfants Rouges, which offer a variety of food options at affordable prices. And finally, when it comes to visiting Paris, consider these tips. 1. Buy a Paris Pass, which can give you access to many of the city's top attractions, including the Louvre and the Eiffel Tower, at a discounted rate. 2. Use public transportation, which is affordable and convenient, and will save you money on expensive taxi rides. 3. Take a free walking tour, which can give you a great overview of the city and help you discover hidden gems. 4. Visit free attractions, like parks such as the Luxembourg Gardens and Jardin des Tuileries, street performers such as Montmartre, and museums such as the Musée d'Orsay, to save money while still experiencing the city's culture. 5. Pack a picnic and enjoy a scenic meal in one of Paris's many parks or along the Seine River. 6. Walking can be a great way to explore the city, save money, and stay active. 7. Check out street markets, like the Marché Bastille, for a unique and budget-friendly experience. 8. Avoid tourist traps, like overpriced souvenirs, and focus on experiencing the real Paris. Take advantage of happy hours, which can offer discounts on food and drinks. 9. Finally, Visit popular attractions at off-peak times, when crowds are smaller and prices are potentially lower. And that's it, guys. With these tips, you can save money while still experiencing all that Paris has to offer. Don't be intimidated by the city's reputation for being expensive, as there are plenty of ways to make it affordable. So, get ready to fall in love with Paris without breaking the bank. Let us know in the comments which tips you'll be using on your trip to Paris, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content. Bye!